In this lesson, we want to talk about the mathematics of the kingdom of God, and we call it kingdom math. The first point of this lesson is that God turns our weakness into strength when we give Him what we have. What we have may not be very big. What we have may appear to us as being very insignificant. But when God takes what we have, what we give Him, even though it may seem very insignificant to us, He turns that weakness into strength. And the second point is that God multiplies what we give Him greatly, even if we don't see it. For example, the little boy with his 5 biscuits and 2 fish. God multiplied them to feed 5,000 men plus women and children. Another example is the widow who gave her 2 mites. God multiplied those 2 mites through 2,000 years of Christian history as people heard and were inspired by her story of giving everything that she had, even though it was so small that it probably annoyed the accountants at the temple. But He multiplied them through our giving over 2,000 years. And the third point is that if we hold on to what we have because we're afraid we're going to lose it, we will lose it. And Jesus told the story of the talents. And it's interesting in this story that it was the poor man who was condemned, not because he was poor, but because he tried to hold on and to protect what he had. And he didn't even get to keep what he had. In the parable, he lost what he had. And the fourth point is that our motive for giving is not so that we will be blessed. That's the lie of the prosperity gospel. If we give to God, He's going to bless us. That is not a biblical motive. Our motive for giving is because we love Him so much, we want to give Him what we have. Kingdom mathematics, it doesn't matter what we have, but Jesus calls us to give it to Him. And when we do, He turns that weakness into strength. He multiplies what we give Him even though we're unaware of it. And the reason we give is not that we would be blessed, but that we show our love to our God who loves us so much.